What you work in the sports industry because you enjoy it. As the day wears on, you come to the realization that you are not in your work for the money alone. Your love of athletics serves as your source of motivation. Why not use your passion as fuel for your side business? The idea of a side business is not new. It has, nevertheless, developed into a major trend in recent years. A second source of income in addition to their primary employment is held by 25% of job searchers, according to JobBite's 2017 Job Seeker Nation survey. In this video, we'll talk about side hustle, the ins and outs of this popular sport. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. Here are just a few suggestions on how to use a side business to advance your sporting career. There is a side business that is ideal for you, no matter what your hobbies are or where you ultimately want to work in sports. Why a side hustle? You have a lot of competition when you work in sports. Others who are passionate about the field are wanting to join it. You distinguish yourself with your side business. Connect your hobbies to your side business. By doing this, even if your present job is not what you enjoy, you are developing abilities in an area of interest that you could one day go into. Here are sports side hustles. Number 1. Coaching. It is likely that you were an athlete once if you work in the sports industry. To offer your expertise in athletics, launch a coaching business. Write workouts and training plans, then seek the required certifications. Once you have the groundwork in place, begin promoting your services at neighborhood youth recreation facilities. Charge an hourly rate to add to your wallet while you build excellent skills, such as leadership and communication. Number 2. Personal training. In a manner similar to teaching, this is a fantastic opportunity you can handle in your spare time. You may share your expertise in fitness and strength training while making additional money if you find the certification that is perfect for you. You can obtain employment at fitness clubs and eventually go to management if you do not freelance or operate your own training company. Personal training is the greatest place to start if you want to pursue a career in the health and fitness industry. Number 3. Tutoring. In your area of study, you are an authority. There are young brains eager to be molded and prepared for the workforce in whatever sector that may be. As a videographer, let us say you work in sports media. Start giving students in-person or online video editing training. You may charge by the hour and improve the lives of people in your neighborhood. Number 4. Freelancing. Everything from design to writing to creating websites to photography. When you work in sports, you offer a service. There is probably a freelance job waiting for you. Promote yourself using your own resources, and encourage referrals from people in your network. Using a freelance website like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr is another choice that simplifies the process of finding freelance employment. To connect with businesses eager to pay for your service, you need to create a profile. Number 6. Blogging and e-commerce. Publish a website with a sports theme. You may either blog or sell products or services, or you can do both. Develop a reputation as a top authority in a subject you are well versed in. You will make money from ad placements, affiliate programs, and products if you choose to sell items as you produce more content and grow your blog's following. Find what you want to provide to your audience and create a business strategy if you want to only run a sports e-commerce firm. Number 7. Online courses. This side business enables you to offer your expertise in a certain field and teach people how to accomplish something, much like tutoring and coaching. Create modules on the prospecting, lead nurturing, customer interaction, dispute and objection management, and deal closing processes. For instance, if you work in sports sales, even a basic understanding of technology is not necessary. Utilize online tools like Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy to make the process of producing and releasing your online course easier. In order to increase enrollment and revenue, these platforms also assist you in marketing your course. Number 8. Video tutorials. If you do not want to produce a full online course, think about making simple lesson films and making them available on YouTube for free. As you get more views and subscribers, you might be able to make a little dollars from ads. This is a fantastic way to advertise your other side businesses as well. For instance, make fitness tutorial films to demonstrate good weightlifting technique. Then publish a link to your website for personal training so individuals may inquire about your services. To advertise your independent coaching practice, record coaching workouts. Customers will learn more about your personality and style this way, which will increase the number of clients you have. The best approach to distinguish yourself in the sports world is to have a side business. You learn how to promote yourself and attract new clients when you manage your own side business. Your job search and career management will be directly impacted by this competence. Your desire to pursue a profession in sports is ready, and you are prepared to offer your advantages. Number 9. Become a sports photographer. Getting paid by coaches, players, parents, magazines, or the league itself for being the go-to-action photographer for a team or league is possible. Freelancing for events might provide you with some additional cash on the side if you have a decent camera and some free time. Just bear in mind that keeping track of your costs and payments will be necessary if you start photographing sports on a regular basis. There are programs that help you save some of that data, but you should make sure that your photography develops into a type of side hustle for you. Number 10. Open a sports bar. Okay, so building a sports bar is a terrific way to turn your passion for sports into a profession. However, this is a little bit outside the scope of a side hustle and into a full-time business endeavor. While the game is always on, you may organize sporting events, purchase pay-per-view content, and make money. It takes a lot of work to purchase a property, obtain a liquor license, and secure capital for a business, but it is a terrific option for a sports enthusiast seeking for a way to profit from that industry. Just keep in mind how many sports bars there are and differentiate yours. Instead of a bar, you may have a wine bar, which is great because wine has so many health advantages. You are also creating a unique atmosphere that is not present at every Dave & Buster's. The key is to differentiate yourself from other sports bars in your neighborhood so that your passion for sports and business do not suffer. That's it for today's video. Please leave your comments on this video below. Thank you for viewing this video and for supporting our channel. To get future updates, click the bell icon if you would want to hear more from us.